Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. We can ship the project to the national and international students. The project title name is called Automatic Irrigation System on Sensing of Soil Moisture Sensor or Automatic Irrigation System for agricultural monitoring and controlling. So here I am using an 8089S52 microcontroller. It's an 8-bit microcontroller and 16 cross 2 LCD display and one relay coil, one 12 volts DC motor and one LM358 operational amplifier and one soil sensor and driver IC and one alarm. So here this is my hardware kit. So here I am using an adapter power source. Otherwise you can use the battery power transformer power source also, that depends upon your requirement. So here I am using an bridge rectifier. Here you can give AC or DC, no problem. Bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator and one LED. This entire section is called power supply section. So here I am using an 8089S52 microcontroller. It's an 8-bit microcontroller. Total 40 pin IC, 4 ports. Each port consists of 8 pin total input, 32 input output bidirectional pins. Port 0, port 1, port 2, port 3. Port 0, it is connected to the 16 cross 2 LCD display, character LCD display. Whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD. Port 1, we are connected with the P1 cap 3 and P1 cap 4. It is connected to the two transistors. One transistor is connected to the buzzer and other transistor we are going to drive the relay. So here we are using SPDT relay, single full double through relay. You can connect the here AC pumps also, like cooler pump or anything you can connect. Otherwise if you operate with any 12 volt, here we are using a 12 volt 0.5 amp motor. This is an application purpose. Students asking that we required small DC motor as a minor project. So these are BC547 transistor, NPN transistor. Mainly it is high current purpose we are using. So this is ISP socket, programming socket for the microcontroller. So here 9th pin is reset pin. If you stuck the program, you need to restart it. Here I am using an 11.0592 MHz crystal. This is the heart of the circuit for the controller to generate the clock pulses to the internal CPU to run the program. So here I am using an two nails based soil sensing. One is connected to the VCC and another it is connected with the pull down resistor of the ground. Here I am using an LM358 operational amplifier. The amplifier is sensing the data from dry or wet. So these are the two, one is with the filled with the water and another is with the dry. Suppose if you are giving this, there is no water. If it is water, water is present. So now I am going to show you the output. So you can give the power here. Okay. Yeah, automatic irrigation soil moisture sensor monitoring system. No water it field. Alarm on. It will give you the on off like that. So after 5 buzzer, the motor should be on. Okay. Like means there is no water. Okay na. If water is present at the field, motor off. Okay. Now if no water is present, motor on. You can connect here pump also. I'll show you. So this is the AC pump, cooler pump, submersible pump for the normal AC cooler fans. So you can connect the AC, it will on with the relay. Like that you can connect here AC pump also. But application coming from the student requirement, they are asking for the motor, small DC motor. If water is present at the field, water, motor off. After 5 buzzers, the motor should be off. Yeah, it's a good project for the application of irrigation for the academic year. So you can dry or wet. If it is dry, the motor should be on. If it is wet, the motor should be off. So students asking, like, we are going to connect the GSM modem. So how you can connect? Here max 232 circuit is there. You can connect the GSM modem. If you are sending any SMS, if there is no water, it will send the SMS to the person, farmer. No water at field. You can go for Telugu, Hindi, English, anything. It will send you an SMS alert, one miss call, and it will send the SMS. After that, if your motor on sending the SMS, then only the motor will be on. So like that, my videos are there in the SVS embedded YouTube channel. There are plenty of videos for the 3-phase motor detection and motor on off, single phase detection, and agricultural motor on off, and motor failure, pump sump motor. There is no water at the sump, it will sense the sump motor water. Like that, I designed many projects on the irrigation field. Thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS embedded, and please subscribe for more projects on SVS embedded. Please watch full videos.